Fuel gauge battery packs. The DEWALT Brushless 3-speed impact driver features battery packs with fuel gauges. Users routinely want to know the state of charge of their batteries throughout the day, and most often before traveling to applications such as working on a lift or a ladder. Easily visible on the rear of the pack, the gauge is available on both the 1.5 amp hour and 3.0 amp hour 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, and uses 3 bright LED lights that can be actuated by pushing the battery icon. 3 lit lights represent a battery that is about 100% to 51% charged. 2 lit lights indicate about 50% to 26% charged. And 1 lit light tells the user the pack is about 25% charged or less. The 1.5 amp hour and 3.0 amp hour fuel gauge battery packs are fully interchangeable with all DEWALT 20-volt max tools.
You get everything out. You see where what your battery level is before you get started. Instead of get started, your battery's dead and you run them around. So it's nice to, if you're a little low, throw it on the charger, grab another battery, and be ready to go for a while.